Does trying to save money just feel hard and stressful? Well, it doesn't have to be that way. So in this video, I'm going to show you a new way to save using a small Google Sheets template so it doesn't feel like a chore and actually gives you flexibility to buy the stuff you want. Now, to start, why does saving money feel so stressful? Well, imagine this is the money that you make every month. Wait, no, this much, taxes. Anyway, this is what you've got, so you make sure to save some of it. Then you've got this left to live on. Okay, you still need to use some to cover the cost of living like food, transport, etc. And now you're left with this to actually buy the stuff you want. Well, there's not a lot there, and if you need a little extra, well, you have to take from here. Then before you know it, you either don't have money to buy the stuff you want, or you feel guilty for spending some or all of your savings. Not a good feeling. So now I'll show you how my new savings system fixes these problems. You still can't do anything about taxes, but you don't have to chop off savings right at the beginning. You don't even know what it's for yet anyway. Instead, it's better to figure out what you want, determine what needs to be saved, make that a part of your overall plan, and then you'll have a much easier time covering everything with your money. You'll be able to make decisions that you're happy with, and you won't feel guilty for stealing from your savings. So now I'm going to show you how to use this system in Google Sheets. And it's only 5 steps, so you're really going to like it. Just grab the template that I made for you in the description. For step 1, all you need to do is decide specifically what you want to save for and write that down. It doesn't help to save money if you're not sure what it's for. It makes saving feel pointless. So write down what you want so you have a real reason to save. For step 2, figure out how much money you actually need to save to do or buy the stuff you want, and write this down too. This will give you a clear goal to shoot for so there's absolutely no confusion. Now for step 3, you want to plan out your savings. It's very likely that you won't be able to meet all of your savings goals after just 1 or 2 contributions. So you need to plan out how much that you want to contribute to each savings goal over time. Luckily, this template makes it super easy to do that. Just add the dates and amounts and keep adjusting the numbers until this number here is equal to 0. Then you have a clear plan to follow. Which brings us to step number 4. You want to take the plan that you've made and make it a part of your overall budget. Now, if you don't have a budget, that's okay. We'll get to that in a little bit. The point is, you want to take your planned contributions and make them a part of your overall money plan. This gives you the power to make actual decisions about how to spend and save your money. And now finally, step 5. Once you've set up your plan and made it a part of your budget, it's all about tracking your progress over time. This gives you motivation, allows you to celebrate your wins, and it gives you the flexibility to make changes to your plan and adjust as life changes. Because if there's one thing for certain, life changes a lot. So with your savings system ready to go, I want you to watch this video next to master Google Sheets budgeting to keep yourself on track and in control of your money.